Good evening to all. First, let me ask all of you a question. Who are we? Who are we in this blessed country? My fellow Filipinos, haven't you asked yourself about these questions? We are all Filipinos. But how can you say that you are a Filipino? Is it how you look, how you speak, or how you act? Sometimes yes, but there is a deeper proof that you are a Filipino. You are a Filipino if you love our country, the Philippines. You are a Filipino if you love our family cultures and traditions. You are a Filipino if you love our national language. You are a Filipino if you're not ashamed of how you look like. If you did all these things, then you are indeed a Filipino. Can you still recall how our ancestors fought the Spaniards, Americans, and Japanese? They died just to give freedom for our country. We should all be like that. We should not be ashamed to show our love and care for our country. Are we still doing our Filipino cultures and traditions, or are they already gone? Did we already forget what our ancestors taught us? The answer should be no. Our Filipino cultures and traditions should not be forgotten. Rather, they should be cherished and passed to the next Filipino generation. Filipino, our national language. If you don't know how to speak in Filipino, then you are not a Filipino. Learning how to talk in Filipino is a really big part of being a Filipino. Our Filipino language should be treasured. Just like what our Sir Rizal said, ang hindi magmahal sa sariling wika ay mabaho pa sa malasay isda. This is a proof that we really should value our Filipino language. Are you ashamed of how you look like, with your brown complexion and flat nose? The answer should be no again. This is what our ancestors gave us. And besides, this is what an original Filipino looks like. We should all be proud that we have a trait of an original Filipino. My fellow Filipinos, we should all be proud and learn to value the things that we have. We should love the things that make us a Filipino. We are all Filipinos. Let's be proud of it. Good evening to all.
Really? Really? Really?